Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can change your YouTube location and you can see another country's trending videos in your trending tab. So you can see I am in India right now, so you can see the trending videos trending in India is shown on the explore button. So if you want to change another country, then you have to just click on, you can see the on the right corner my logo T. So click on the T options and then you can scroll down and you can see the second last option, settings. You have to click on the settings. After that, the first, you can see on first option is general, so you click on the general. After that, just scroll down and you can see the third last option, location. So you can click on the location. So now you can see all the countries are available in this option. So if you are in Australia or Canada or in any country and you want to show another country's trending video, then you can click on this setting and select another country. Like I am going to show you, I select United States. So now I just go back and you can see I refresh the button and you can see the explore button shows me the all the trending videos in United States. So like this you can change the location of your YouTube channel, so you can see all the latest trending videos or some other factors in another country. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe.